Hey there, let's talk patterns and backgrounds. You can work with them however you like. You can select one of our expertly crafted patterns and order your packaging in a few clicks. Click the patterns icon. There are oodles of patterns to choose from. You can easily filter by colours, seasons and styles. There's no science to it. Whatever grabs your eye, really. That's the best thing. You can flick through different patterns to see how they look on your actual box. Take your pattern for a spin. Check how every angle looks like. Not bad, but we can do better. Check out different background fill colours in both 3D and 2D, where you can get into more detail. Edit the pattern colour, or switch it off to leave just a solid coloured background. Choose your colour from the colour palette, or enter your own hex or RGB values. You can apply your changes to the whole box, or selected sides. I think I'm going to leave the top and bottom in this beautiful pastel pink. Perfect. Oh, and we can't forget the inside. That's right, you can even add colours to the inside. Hit open and toggle on the inside print option. And just like any side, you can play around with colours. Just remember that the cardboard inside only comes in craft. Certain colours and prints look different on craft compared to white. My tip? Stick to muted tones. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.